Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to Word file online without using Microsoft Word. So very simple, you have to open any web browser, then type here Office online, press enter. You will see this Microsoft official link, Office Online, Word, Excel, PPT free. So click on this first link, and guys, it required signing process, so just click on sign in. Now here guys, select Word, then click on new blank document. So this way guys, you can edit your Word file, and also you can create a new file. You want to edit your MS Word file, so open and find out your file. If you not see here, so firstly you have to save that file in your OneDrive, so you can access your OneDrive file easily. So thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not, and this way we can know how to edit and create Word file online without using Microsoft Word.